It's a very kid Android here. So, you most probably know that Huawei and Google is having issues due to Huawei's ban. Like after the ban, Huawei can't use Google services in its phones, which is no doubt a big loss though. But Huawei ended up making its own operating system as a competitor of Android called Harmony operating system, and it's already dominating the Chinese market, like it's getting really successful inside of China. And don't forget that Harmony operating system is really similar to Android. Like whole operating system uses Android app files, and Google can't stop Huawei to use it. Because at the end though, Android is an open source version, anyone can have it. But it seems Google still wants to stop Huawei using its APKs. That's why a few days back, Google announced that it is replacing the Android package APK files with Android app bundle from this August and in tandem with the release of Android 12. So all new apps submitted to the Play Store from August will need to use the new format, although existing apps can continue to use APKs for now. So to me, it looks like Google don't want Huawei to use its APKs, that's why they did that. So what does this mean for Huawei and its Harmony operating system platform? After all, Harmony operating system OS supports APKs in order to run Android apps. Well, I got a good news though, because Huawei CEO told that the new format wouldn't affect Harmony operating system user experience or hamper any development. He said that the Android app bundle format is essentially similar to Harmony's Atomic service, while the firm previously described the Atomic service as future-oriented user applications in Harmony OS that are installation-free and provide a specific function. So it's a good news though that it won't hurt Harmony operating system. Although it's unclear whether Huawei's Harmony operating system and Huawei mobile services platforms supports new Android app bundles, some documentations indicate that Harmony operating system also supports Android app bundles, but it's not confirmed yet. We've asked Huawei to clarify support and will definitely update you regarding that, but things got serious now, and Huawei still have solutions for that, so don't worry. Harmony operating system won't be affected from any move. So yeah, what do you think about it? Well, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you somehow found this video interesting, then a sub to the channel would be amazing for me. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.